Welcome to Module 4, everyone. Here, the task is to complete the Research Gap Worksheet, and that's the focus of this video. A little overview of that. The worksheet is a Word document which can be found in the Module 4 folder. That's actually where you're going to submit the assignment when you complete this worksheet. To get started, you're going to review the 5 articles that you have. 3 of them were provided for you, and you completed your lit review in the last module. And 2 of them you looked up in the Shapiro library. So you should have a total of 5 articles related to your topic right now. You're going to review those articles. That's the first step in this process. While you're reviewing the articles, you're going to identify a gap. So what is a research gap? A gap is simply what's missing from the research. A void in the extant literature. Is there a lot of research in one area, but some details are missing? What can you add? So what knowledge is missing and would benefit from further investigation? That's the gap. There's an example provided for you here in yellow. This example you're going to remove when you complete your worksheet, but this is an example. It starts off showing what we know, the effects of the Big Five, and then when you see this however, that points you to what is left to find out. What's the gap in the research? And that's exactly what you're going to do. Researchers will look for gaps within the literature to find how to develop a study or find what they want to investigate further. Same process you're going to go through here. So as you're reading the 5 articles, look for what's missing. They'll tell you in the articles, it'll explain what they know, what the researchers know, what we know about that given topic, but they may also identify potential areas of investigation. A lot of times you can find this information in the discussion area where the researchers talk about future research. That's the first part, the gap identification. The second part, and this is integral as well, is developing a research question. You want to develop a research question related to your topic, and the question should be aimed at filling that research gap, filling the void within the literature. If you were to design a study, you should be able to answer that once again, that's one research question. Your question should be stated as a question with a question mark, and it should be one question that you could answer if you carried out your study. The research question is important because it guides the entire research process, the design process, and the focus of data collection and data analysis. So come up with one question related to your topic that fills the void within the extant literature, the existing literature. Don't be discouraged if it takes you a couple times to refine your question and get the wording just right. That's normal. Researchers go through this process. If you have any questions as you begin working on the Research Gap Worksheet, or any questions about going through this process or identifying a gap, please email me.